What if I told you that the foods you eat tonight could help repair your eyes while you sleep? Imagine waking up tomorrow with clearer vision and fewer floaters, no longer needing reading glasses. What if blurry nights and poor night vision became a thing of the past? I know this sounds too good to be true, but stick with me and I'll prove how eating certain foods before bed can start improving your vision today. I'm a leading expert in age-related vision loss, and I'll share 8 foods proven to reverse vision loss while you sleep. Every year, millions of older adults spend hard-earned money on expensive eye supplements, stronger prescriptions, and pricey treatments. And yet the decline seems to continue. Blurry streetlights, dry eyes in the morning, and difficulty reading the evening newspaper. You've been told it's just aging. But here's the truth. Recent studies show that specific foods, when eaten before bed, can naturally trigger your eye's repair process during sleep. So why don't we hear about this? It's because healthy eyes don't keep the supplement industry alive, and the damage builds slowly until night driving feels unsafe or reading becomes exhausting. Vision decline is one of the main reasons seniors lose independence. But tonight, you'll discover 8 powerful foods, ranked from least to most effective, that can help reverse age-related vision damage while you rest. And wait until you hear about food number 1. A study showed it reduced vision loss risk by over 50% in long-term participants. Let us know in the comments. What's the one eye symptom that bothers you the most? Dryness? Blurriness? Night glare? We read and respond to every comment with tips. Let's begin. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with a special form of beta-carotene that your body turns into vitamin A, especially active during your sleep cycles. 1 cup provides over 20,000 units of vitamin A, enough to fuel your eyes overnight. Here's why this matters. Vitamin A is essential for making rhodopsin, the protein that allows us to see in dim light. That's why people with vitamin A deficiency often struggle with night vision. Take George, a 72-year-old from Wisconsin, who struggled to drive at night. After adding baked sweet potatoes to his dinner 4 times a week, he noticed he could read road signs more clearly within 2 months. This isn't magic, it's nutrition. To maximize the benefit, bake or steam the sweet potato with the skin on, and add a teaspoon of healthy fat like coconut oil. Avoid microwaving, it destroys too many of the helpful compounds. Eat it about 90 minutes before bed, and your eyes will thank you in the morning. Number 7. Wild-Caught Salmon. This pink fish is rich in DHA omega-3s, the same fatty acids that make up the majority of your retina. Eating it before bed allows your body to replace damaged retinal cells while you sleep. A 68-year-old woman in California who suffered from dry, gritty eyes began eating salmon twice a week. After 3 months, she reported fewer dry eye symptoms and felt confident reading books at night again. Just remember, it has to be wild-caught, not farmed. Bake it gently with turmeric and black pepper. This combo supercharges the anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 6. Goji berries, used for centuries in Chinese medicine. These small red berries are now backed by science. They're the richest source of zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that builds a protective layer in your macula against blue light damage. Imagine watching your favorite TV show in the evening without your eyes feeling tired or strained. That's the kind of difference zeaxanthin can make. In fact, a study in Beijing showed seniors improve their eye chart scores just by eating goji berries daily. Eat 1 ounce soaked in warm water or mixed in yogurt about 90 minutes before bed. Just don't pair them with tea or coffee, which blocks absorption. Number 5. Organic Egg Yolks. Yes, eggs can be powerful for your vision. The golden yolk carries lutein and zeaxanthin in the most absorbable form possible. Seniors who ate just 2 yolks a day increased their eye pigment density in just weeks. One retiree I spoke to said he always thought eggs were bad because of cholesterol. But after adding soft scrambled organic yolks to his evening meal, he noticed less glare when driving at night. The cholesterol in yolks actually helps transport eye nutrients. Cook them gently in butter. Never overheat, or the benefits vanish. Number 4. Bilberries, known as the vision berry. Bilberries were once used by British pilots in World War II for sharper night vision. Modern research supports this. They help regenerate rhodopsin, essential for low-light vision. A 70-year-old teacher in Europe added bilberry capsules before bed. Within weeks, she could read without magnifying glasses for the first time in years. Eat them fresh, if possible, or use a quality supplement. Avoid pairing with citrus, which can cancel out the anthocyanins. Number 3. Black currants. These tart berries pack more vitamin C and anthocyanins than most fruits, and they contain a unique omega-6 fat that strengthens your retina. In London, seniors with early glaucoma who consume black currants regularly saw a slowdown in disease progression and, in some cases, even partial reversal. Eat them fresh or try black currant oil with cottage cheese for better absorption. Number 2. Saffron. This golden spice is truly remarkable. Compounds in saffron have been shown to reverse early signs of macular degeneration by helping damaged cells function again. I recall an Italian man in his late 60s who switched from tea to warm saffron milk each night. After months, his eye scans showed measurable improvement, a story his doctor called rare but impressive. Steep 15 threads in warm milk and drink it an hour before bed. The warmth relaxes you while the saffron goes to work repairing your eyes. And now, here's the top food that can reverse vision loss while you sleep. Are you ready? It's raw cacao. Yes, chocolate, but the right kind. Raw cacao is packed with flavanols that increase blood flow to the retina and even trigger new mitochondria in your eye cells. In a large study, seniors drinking raw cacao regularly showed sharper vision and even reversal of some vision loss. One woman said she could finally read bedtime stories to her grandchildren again without her glasses. Mix raw cacao powder with warm nut milk, a pinch of cinnamon, and a little cayenne for extra absorption. Drink it 45 minutes before bed and let the flavanols work through the night. When combined, these 8 foods form a natural repair team for your eyes working as you rest. You don't need to do them all at once. Start with just 1 or 2, especially raw cacao and saffron, and build from there. Consistency is the key. Stick with it for a few weeks, and you'll notice changes: clearer mornings, less dryness, sharper reading vision. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try tonight? And have you noticed any foods that make your vision better or worse? Share below. We're here to learn together. Before we part ways, I must emphasize that while food is powerful, it's not the only solution for vision problems. For instance, cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy require medical attention. Food can't replace that. Plus, everyone's genetics and lifestyle are different. What works for one may not work for another. If you're experiencing vision loss, please consult an eye doctor. And if you're enjoying our videos, please subscribe. Your support helps us reach more people and fund research to advance eye health naturally. Until next time, eat well, sleep well, and wake up with brighter eyes.